Welcome to Codeless Craft, where creativity and technology come together.
Hey future coders! Welcome to the very first episode of the Python Noob to Pro series, powered by Codeless Craft. I'm Alex.
And I'm Priya. If you have ever wanted to learn programming but felt overwhelmed, this series is just for you.
We will take you step by step, from writing your very first line of Python all the way to building projects, understanding logic, even doing real-world automation and AI.
And best part? Everything is taught using free tools, simple examples, and a learning style that doesn't assume you're a tech genius.
So grab your headphones, open your browser, and let's dive into part 1. Why learn Python in 2025? How to write your first program.
So let's start with a question we hear all the time. Why should I learn Python? Especially in 2025.
Great question. The answer is simple. Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages in the world. Its syntax is clean, readable, and beginner-friendly.
Right. You don't have to worry about curly braces, weird semicolons, or confusing symbols. In fact, Python reads almost like English.
Let me give you an example. In Python, to print hello world, you just write.
That's it. No setup, no compilation, just run and boom, you're coding.
But here is where it gets even better. Python isn't just easy. It's used in real-world, high-paying industries.
We are talking about web development with Flask and Django, data science with Pandas and NumPy, and machine learning with TensorFlow and scikit-learn automation using Selenium, or Python game development with Pygame.
And massive companies like Google, Netflix, Spotify, and Instagram use Python every single day in their systems.
So whether you want to become a developer, work in AI, automate boring tasks, or just understand how tech works, Python gives you a solid foundation.
And here is a fun fact. Even non-coders are learning Python, like journalists, biologists, designers, and freelancers. It's becoming the English language of code.
Okay, so we have hyped it up, but what now? Let's show you how to actually get started.
You might be thinking, do I need to install anything? Is this going to break my laptop?
Haha, don't worry. In 2025, you don't need to install anything to start learning Python. There are free online platforms that let you code directly in your browser.
Let's talk about a few top ones. First up, Replit.com, perfect for beginners. It's like Google Docs, but for coding. Just create an account, click Create New REPL, choose Python, and start typing.
Second, Google Colab. This one's especially great if you plan to go into data science or AI. It's like a Python notebook in the cloud.
And for mobile learners, SoloLearn app. It has short lessons, mini quizzes, and a built-in Python playground. Learn while you commute or relax.
Now, if you are someone who prefers a bit more control, you can install Python on your PC along with VS Code. But that's completely optional for now.
For beginners, Replit is more than enough. So let's move to the most exciting part, your first Python program.
Alright. If you are following along, open up Replit.com, sign in or create an account, and click on Create REPL.
Choose the Python template, give your project a name like First Program, and hit Create.
You'll now see a big white editor on the left. Type this code exactly, x, print, hello, codeless craft.
Then click the big green Run button at the top.
Boom. You have just written and executed your first line of Python code.
What does it do? It prints a message to the console. The print function is like telling the computer, hey, show this text on the screen.
Try changing the message. Replace hello, codeless craft, with your name or your favorite quote.
For example, print, hi, I'm Priya and I love Python. Print, favorite subject, math.
These lines will each print something on a new line. And just like that, you're learning how output works.
It might look small, but this is your first real step into programming. Be proud of that.
Alright, time for your first challenge.
Change the print message to introduce yourself. Then add two more lines. One for your name, one for your favorite subject or hobby.
Then take a screenshot of your output and post it in the comments or tag us on Instagram Codelesscraft.
We will feature some of the best ones in our next episode.
And that wraps up part 1 of Python Noob to Pro.
Today, you learned why Python is the perfect language to start with in 2025, how to set up your environment without installing anything, and how to write your first lines of code.
In part 2, we are diving into Python basics, variables, data types, and how to make your code smart with logic and conditions.
If this helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Codelesscraft. We are building a coding journey that's fun, free, and fearless.
Because coding isn't just for engineers anymore. It's for everyone, and that includes you.
See you in part